This dramatic scene shows two carpenter ants locked in a fierce battle. One ant has gripped the other tightly by the waist with its powerful jaws, while the second ant struggles hard to break free. Ant fights like this often happen when ants from different colonies meet. They are highly territorial creatures, and each colony protects its food and nesting area with extreme aggression. Unlike humans, ants don't fight for dominance alone. They fight for survival of the colony. Carpenter ants, being larger and stronger than common ants, use their sharp mandibles like weapons. The battle can last for several minutes, sometimes even leading to serious injury or death. This may look small, but in the world of ants, such fights decide who controls the territory, the food, and ultimately the future of their colony.